like to know. Curious if I need a new furnace, can you send someone to check it out? All right, so the AI again is going through the memory. Absolutely, we can arrange for specialists to visit, right, and access your furnace to facilitate this. Could you please provide me with your name, phone number, and email address? A representative will contact you shortly to schedule a visit. Okay, sure. My name is Donnie. My phone number is 825-712-6553, and my email is zafarontech@gmail.com. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay. Boom. We just got a message right away, no latency, everything is connected. I don't know if you see that. Let me open it up. Boom. Donnie, you guys see that? Donnie, phone number